The most expensive mistake in writing isn't bad dialogue. It isn't plot holes. It's picking the wrong story. Pick wrong and you lose half a year. Do that a few times and you can burn through a decade. I know because I did. I spent 5 years of my 20s on a chamber musical that appealed to 0.0001% of the population. You're hearing some of it now. I wish aging Dave could go back and strangle some sense into youthful Dave. Here's what I learned. Passion for an idea is the starting point of the decision. It's not the end point. Your instinct is your compass. Analysis is your map. You need both to reach your destination. So before your next story gets a year of your life, judge it like it's asking for a year of your life, because it is. The story rater inside Stop Writing was built for that judgment. It's free. StopWriting.com